Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Translate. Choose the app or website and jump right in. First, pick the source and target languages so the tool knows what to convert. Next, grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted, because those enable live speech and instant camera translation. Once done, verify input mode, type, camera, conversation, or handwriting, so you're ready to act. This gets you past basic setup quickly and into translating actual text or speech. Now you execute translations by choosing the best mode for your task. If you type or paste text, hit translate and read the result. This is precise for words and phrases. For live interaction, switch to conversation mode so you and another person can alternate speaking. Press and hold your side to record. For signs, menus, or printed text, use camera mode. You'll see live overlays, and you can tap to freeze the frame for more careful reading. These modes cover most real situations. Complete the process by using output features. Tap the speaker to hear pronunciation, copy results to clipboard, star favorites, or share via other apps. If you'll be offline, download the necessary languages in settings so Translate works without data. Make sure you have enough storage before starting. If results seem incorrect, rephrase the source sentence, use simpler words, or change regional language variants. These small adjustments often fix errors. One key tip: clear cache or restart the app if performance slows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.